Class 2nd, subject maths, chapter number 5, that is subtraction. I am Kiran Jagtap. Dear students, we have learned the subtraction of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. Let us learn more about the properties of subtraction. The properties of subtraction are zero property, before number property. The third property is subtracting a number from itself. Let us have a look. Number one property is zero property, that is, what is mean by zero property? When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, number A, 10 minus 0 equals to 10. 50 minus 0 is 50. 100 minus 0 is 100, and so on. Number 2 property, that is before number property. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get number that is just before it. For example, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 56 minus 1 equal to 55. 100 minus 1 equal to 99, and so on. Let us see number 3 property, that is subtracting a number itself property. What is subtracting a number itself property? Let us see. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Here the difference means the answer in subtraction we call as difference. When we subtract any number, when we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 8 minus 8 is 0. 65 minus 65 is 0. And again, here the next example is given, 100 minus 100 is 0 numbers. Let's learn more about with regrouping of subtraction of 3-digit numbers. So let's start with the digits. So here example number 1, subtract 368 from 654. Here the steps are given. Step number 1, subtract from ones place or right hand columns of digits. If top digit, or we can say part of the minuend, is smaller than the digit you are subtracting, means that is the subtrahend, you will have to borrow 10 from the digit to the left, decreasing that digit by 1. Step number 2, subtract the next column of digits, that is moving left. If the top digit, or we can say the minuend, part of the minuend, you will have to borrow 10 from the digit to the left, decreasing that digit by 1. Step number 3, subtract the next column of digits, moving to the left. So finally we get the difference between 654 minus 368 makes the difference is 286. So some examples are here. The first example is find the difference of 367 and 278. So here difference means what? The answer in subtraction we have learned already. So here in the column, in the first column, there are 100 place, tens place and ones place are there. So accordingly we put the numbers given and find out the biggest number and put in the minuend, that is the minuend, and then put the smallest number downside of that, it is called the subtrahend. Now we have some in the ones place, 7 minus 8. 7 is the smaller than the 8, so that's why we borrow from the tens place, that is the 5, we get here 17. Now 17 minus 8 becomes 9. Thank you.